Elcogen was founded in 2001 in Estonia for the purpose of developing solid oxide fuel cell technology. So at that time we saw quite a lot of changes happening in energy conversion technology for both aspects, as the efficiency and also environmental aspects. So and we saw great potential in fuel cell technology, and having a lot of available scientific resources in Estonia, we managed to form a group of scientists in two leading Estonian universities who started to study namely solid oxide fuel technology. And of course, at that time, entering into the business where a lot of research were still in lab scale, a lot of risks were involved. But why we chose this was a reason that from a resource point of view, it was much easier to enter, much easier than to normal engineering or R&D development. And it paid off because currently we have a product, ceramic solid oxide fuel cell, which from the technical point of view, as per our customers' feedback, we have is the best in the world currently available solid oxide fuel cell.
In short, what kind of a problem does Elcogen solve with its technology?
Our cell is unique. Of course, there are several companies also producing quite similar products, but what differentiates us is that we are the only company currently in the world who managed to lower the operating temperature of the solid oxide fuel cell down to 600-650 degrees C. What benefit it gives to the customer? So currently the main problem in fuel cell technology, kind of a widespread usage, is mainly high cost, and the cost comes from expensive materials. And this, our solution, lower operating temperature, our customers who produce stacks and systems to use much cheaper solutions, low-cost materials, and therefore they can also make their products more affordable and feasible for the market.
What fields of use would this end product be useful for?
Solid oxide fuel cells are extremely universal product. So currently we have customers in stationary power production, which means starting from a small residential power range from say around 1 kilowatt electricity, then commercial from let's say 5 to 100 kilowatts, and also quite say large megawatt scale industrial applications, mainly for power production, but also CHP, which means combined heat and power production. Next applications are automotive. So we have customers who use the same product in auxiliary power units for long-haul trucks, and also some applications in passenger cars. The next very interesting application is electrolyzer. Then usually fuel cell produces electricity from the fuel. Actually, one of the benefits of solid oxide fuel cell is it's very fuel flexible. So you can use natural gas, you can use biogas, different kind of liquid fuels, say ethanol, methanol, also diesel. There's no restrictions. this is compared to other type of fuel cells like PEM fuel cell, for example, requiring only pure hydrogen, which this product does not need. And this is also making the market application quite wide. And one of the, I think the most recent trends are use the same product in electrolyzers to store energy from wind parks, solar parks. So, and store in the form of hydrogen. And addition to that, from this hydrogen we can also produce synthetic fuels. So there's a lot of applications. There's some of them I just mentioned, but there are even more of them where the same product actually can be used and currently is used by our customers.
How many patents you hold today?
Currently we hold 8, we have 8 patent families internationally, of course, covered all major areas.
When and whether your product is ready for commercial use?
It is. So we have a product which we currently sell to different customers around the world. Of course, the amounts are quite small currently because our customers who make end-use products are not in market yet, but it will take a few years as all these countries where we sell mainly in Japan, actually 60% of our products go to Japan, to large corporates in Japan. And Japan government as well as European Union and are very interested in fuel cell implementation. So there's a lot of support schemes ongoing, coming. So that will also help these our customers to bring the products into the market.